Hey everyone, welcome back. Here is how to fix the SMS code not sending on PrizePicks so you can log in into your account. First, make sure your phone has a strong mobile signal. SMS code won't arrive if your signal is weak. Try moving on an area with better network coverage. Then, make sure you have entered the correct phone number. Check the country code as well. Then restart the device to refresh your network connection. This often fixes SMS issues. Then go to the settings and then or swipe down from your phone screen. Turn airplane mode on. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. Then wait and request again. Wait at least 60 seconds. Tap the reset and then tap the reset code again. If you still do not receive the code, contact PrizePicks support. That's how to fix the PrizePicks SMS code not sending. Subscribe for more quick fixes.